Hello, lovely people. So today we'll be making Mpotompoto. First, we'll boil our cocoyam and then add our herrings to it so that it becomes soft with the cocoyam. Remember to add some salt to the cocoyam when boiling. And then when it becomes soft, we'll go on to the next stage, that is seasoning our oil, our palm oil. So when the oil is melted, we'll put in our salted fish and then we'll go ahead to blend some shrimps, pepper, ginger, onion and pour that in the oil to fry for about 10 to 15 minutes. When it's done, let's scoop some of it into our cocoyam porridge and then stir and leave it on fire to boil for about 10 to 15 minutes, after which we can serve and enjoy. Thank you for watching this recipe. Do like and subscribe for more recipes. Thank you for stopping by. Bye bye.